Crush ka ba ng crush mo? Oo o hindi? Paano mo malalaman? Manghuhula o magpe-predict?
Uy, si Aladdin nanonood. Si Aladdin jowa.
Pero di ko kaya bumitaw, ika'y masasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwan.
Tama! Lalo na kung isang sitwasyon ay mangyayari pa lamang. Ganito rin ang hypothesis. Sinasabi na ito ay isang wild guess, kung saan nais mong malaman o mapatunayan kung ang iyong gagamiting teorya ay totoo ba o hindi. A valid statement of prediction, tentative explanation or answer, and starting point of a deeper investigation. The word hypothesis comprises of two words, hypo, which means tentative or subject to verification, and thesis, which means statement about solution of a problem. Unlike a prediction, a research hypothesis is relying on factual and scientific information. It means kailangang dumaan sa isang proseso. Meron tayong dalawang uri ng hypothesis, ang null o H1 at alternative o HA. Tandaan ang dalawang klase ito sa pinakasimpleng paraan. Ang null hypothesis ay ang negative statement sa isang bagay, at ang alternative hypothesis naman ang positive statement ng isang bagay. Halimbawa, crush ka ba ng crush mo? Ang null hypothesis dito ay hindi ka crush ng crush mo kasi maiba na siya. At ang alternative nito ay crush ka rin ng crush mo maski maiba na siya. At ito naman ang ilan sa mga characteristics ng isang good hypothesis. Number 1, it contains both the independent and dependent variables. One of the main goals of research hypothesis is to identify the relationship of two central variables. Your hypothesis must convey the impact of independent variable to dependent variable. For example, using guava leaves for infection on someone's wound, and this infection is bacterial in nature. You ask yourself, does guava leaves control the growth of bacteria? If yes, how? The hypothesis in this case would be, the guava leaves have an effect on the bacteria infection. Second, it conveys the direction of the study. The hypothesis from the previous example is considered as good because it defines the two variables, the guava leaves and the bacterial infection. But it does not recommend any path for the research. There could be a follow-up question that can be asked, like, what is the effect of the leaves? To answer this, the hypothesis is enhanced by adding the possible outcomes based on the background of the research. Therefore, the hypothesis can presently be expressed as the guava leaves affect the growth rate of the bacteria. At ang pangatlo, ito dapat ay testable and measurable. The hypothesis must be possible to prove and disprove based on testing, data collection, and observation. It is important to demonstrate that the study can be done because it can be verified through testing and measurement. Searching through relevant literature about guava leaves and bacterial infection may lead you to experiments done in the previous studies, and it will help you further refine the hypothesis. Therefore, the research hypothesis can be presented as the photochemicals present in the guava leaves can decrease the growth rate of the bacteria by inhibiting their growth. At ang pang-apat, it is clear and understandable. The hypothesis must be expressed and direct to the point.